All right. Just wanted to do a quick review on these Crocodile Grill cloths. First impression is this package is a lot bigger than what it really appears. I mean, that's a sizable cloth, and it's made for the grill. All right, I'll also throw a link directly to these right in the description. So let's go ahead and give her a shot here. So let's pull out one of these cloths. Let's see how big these are. Yeah, it's actually sizable. I mean, that's one cloth in comparison to a Weber Genesis grill. So nice size. Got plenty of moisture to it. Use it on the outside first. Actually, working pretty well. I got ribs going on. SmokeFire here. My front shelves are looking a little dirty. I'm not going to clean the grill itself while it's hot, but this is actually working really well on the front shelves. Look at that. Ooh, this one's a little warm. It's cutting through some of this grease and grime that's on here. Fold it over and get a clean spot. Yeah, I mean, it cut right through everything. Very cool. So overall, I say these are a pretty good buy. They work really well. They're plenty moist when they come out of the package. The cloth itself is huge, and it cleans really well.